Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Fort Richmond is a residential neighborhood in the southern part of Winnipeg, Manitoba. Located just south of the University of Manitoba and near the Red River, Fort Richmond is known for its convenient location, established homes, and strong connection to education and research in the city. Fort Richmond was developed mainly during the 1960s and 1970s, a period of rapid suburban growth in Winnipeg. The neighborhood was designed with a mix of residential housing, schools, and local services, creating a self-contained community. Its proximity to the university made it especially attractive to faculty, staff, and students over the years.
Thank you very much.
The neighborhood is primarily made up of single-family homes, along with townhouses and some apartment buildings. Many of the homes reflect the architectural styles of the late 20th century, with practical layouts and mature landscaping. Over time, renovations and infill development have added variety, while still maintaining the overall character of the area. One of the defining features of Fort Richmond is its close relationship with the University of Manitoba. As the largest university in the province, it brings a steady flow of students and staff into the area. This creates a mix of long-term residents and a more transient student population, giving the neighborhood a unique balance of stability and activity. Green space is an important part of Fort Richmond. The neighborhood includes several parks and is close to riverbank trails along the Red River. These areas provide space for walking, cycling, and outdoor recreation, while also supporting local wildlife. The river corridor adds a natural element that contrasts with the surrounding residential streets. Fort Richmond is also near Kings Park, a large recreational area that includes walking paths, ponds, and open green space. The park is a popular destination for both residents and visitors, offering a quiet place to relax as well as space for outdoor activities throughout the year. The neighborhood is well connected by major roads, such as Pembina Highway, one of Winnipeg's main north-south routes. This provides direct access to downtown and other parts of the city, making Fort Richmond a convenient location for commuting. Public transit options are also available, further linking the area to the rest of Winnipeg. Overall, Fort Richmond is a well-established neighborhood that combines residential stability with proximity to one of Winnipeg's key institutions. Its mix of housing, access to nature, and convenient location make it an important part of the city's southern region. Winnipeg is the capital of Manitoba and sits near the geographic center of North America. It is located at the meeting point of the Red River and the Assiniboine River, a historic crossroads that has shaped the city's development for thousands of years. Indigenous peoples lived and traded here long before European arrival, making this one of the oldest continuously used meeting places on the continent. That meeting place is now known as the Forks, one of Winnipeg's top attractions. For over 6,000 years, it served as a gathering site for trade and culture. Today, it has been redeveloped into a public space with markets, restaurants, walking paths, and historical exhibits, blending the past with modern city life. Winnipeg became an important transportation and economic hub in the late 1800s, especially after the arrival of the railway. Its location made it a gateway to Western Canada, attracting immigrants and businesses. By the early 1900s, it had grown into one of the country's largest and most influential cities, known for its grain trade and financial institutions. The city is also known for its cultural depth. It is home to major institutions like the Canadian Museum for Human Rights, the Winnipeg Art Gallery, and a strong performing arts scene. Festivals play a big role here as well, including Folklorama, which celebrates the city's diverse cultural communities, and Festival du Voyageur, which highlights its French-Canadian heritage. Winnipeg's climate is one of its defining features. Winters are long and cold, with temperatures often dropping well below freezing, while summers are warm and sunny. This contrast shapes daily life, from skating on frozen rivers in winter to enjoying outdoor patios and parks in summer. The city embraces these extremes, turning them into part of its identity. Winnipeg is also known for its strong neighborhood character, where each area has its own identity and history. Districts like Exchange District feature well-preserved early 20th century architecture and reflect the city's boom years as a commercial center. In contrast, areas such as Street, Boniface highlight the city's deep French heritage, with bilingual services, historic churches, and cultural institutions that continue to shape Winnipeg's identity today. Another defining feature of Winnipeg is its connection to the surrounding prairie landscape. The city is relatively flat, with wide skies and long sightlines that change dramatically with the seasons. Agriculture plays a major role in the region's economy, and Winnipeg remains a key service and distribution center for Manitoba and much of central Canada. Despite its urban growth, it still feels closely tied to the land around it, offering visitors a mix of city life and open space that is distinctly prairie Canadian. Today, Winnipeg is a city of about 800,000 people, known for its affordability, strong sense of community, and mix of urban and natural spaces. Whether exploring historic sites, relaxing in parks, or walking along the rivers, visitors get a clear sense of a city that is both grounded in history and still evolving.